So why is a profile system important in energy rated windows?
Well, the prime if you like, element of a window is obviously the glass. The frame supplements the glass. The frame, if you like, the glass gives you your initial value, and the frame is, if you like, gives a penalty to that value. So what we're trying to do all the time is reduce the penalty by bringing the value of the frame closer to the value of the glass. So it's important that when we design our systems, we don't penalise the glass. And what we're trying to do all the time with the window is improve the U value. So we've got to try and put as much thermal resistance in the frame as possible, and B, improve the G value, which is the glass area, so we don't want our frames too bulky. So really we have to look at slim frames in terms of width, and we have to look at thermally efficient frames in terms of depth and thermal resistance through the frame. So it's really a sum of all the parts that give us the end thermal value at the end of it, or the window energy rating, and also the U value. RCM is very good because it's a very thermally resistant material. It's a very poor conductor, very good thermal resistor. Its main constituency obviously is recycled PVC. PVC is an excellent thermally resistant material. So quite simply, we monopolised on its thermal resistance and also its recyclability. We designed our RCM as well, so it can enhance things like fixings within the framing as well. So it has 3 elements to it. There are other elements as well. It doesn't rust, it doesn't corrode, easy to handle. But a prime element is its thermal enhancement to the framing system. We take a very responsible approach to the thermal aspect of the product. We also take a very responsible approach to the recyclability of the product. Profile 22 part of the Epping Group. Epping was really one of the first pioneers in the UK to do full closed loop recycling of product. So we've got excellent credentials as a systems business in terms of that. So in terms of window energy ratings, we're one of the first to develop a self-assessment guide, which is available to our fabricators. So really they can put all the elements of a window, the glass, the reinforcing, what type of spacer, what type of framing within our parts range. They can bring all those together, and that will, at the end of the day, put those figures in, and that will spew out a thermal resistance, a window energy rating. And so we take a very responsible approach to window energy ratings and sustainability.